Hello. Hi, my dear. How are you?
Fine, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. What is a pretty damsel like you doing under the sun? What is the problem?
I'm waiting someone to come and help me.
You want somebody to help you?
Yes.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I did not come out with my car, but it's okay. I can always. Where are you going to?
Well, it's not too bit far, It's around this place.
This side now.
Yes, so it's not too far.
It's not too far.
Yeah.
You know what? I will help you.
I thought you were going to work.
My work can wait.
Wow.
What will I be? What kind of a gentleman will I be if I see you like this and not help you?
You're a nice man.
I am very, very nice. A very jovial person. And if you allow me, I can be nice. If you know what I mean. Anyway, let me help you. This sun is not good for your skin.
Thank you so much.
You are very, very welcome.
God bless you.
You say it's this way, okay?
Yes.
No problem. Hey, I don't need to ask you what your name is because looking at you, I will call you Atalugo. And I can be your dogu. You understand? Hi. Let me just.
Them say, oh my papa plumber wants to become a superstar. Okwe wa lolo do rabata. Nibata lo fi rabata. Isi okwe wa ni baba mna.
This your house is far.
No, you're already there.
Yeah.
Just last street.
Anything for love. Anything for love. Hi. Jesus. Jesus. Hey.
I don't try you.
Hey.
You really try for me.
Anything for love. Anything for being a nice person, a good Samaritan. Hi. So this is your house. Where it's good.
If you keep on here.
No. Let me go inside with you. No, I'm already here now. Let me take it. No, don't worry. Don't worry. I do go. I tell you go. Don't worry. I will follow inside. Yes. Hey, I tell you go. Oh, get it. Hi, I tell you go. I'm tired, but I'm not tired though. Just in case.
Really try.
Yes. I'm tired, but I'm not tired. Just in case. Hey. Oh, this is your house.
Yes, sir.
Hey, honey. Jesus.
You keep me waiting.
Sorry I kept you waiting. Sorry I kept you waiting. So, who is this?
It's our Good Samaritan.
Oh, Good Samaritan. That helped you?
Yes. I'm standing with you.
Wait, Chalo. Wait. Oh, God. Thank you, Lord. Wait, Chalo. Who is this, please?
Oh, sorry, I did not tell you earlier. It's my husband.
No, what's going on?
You're gonna.
My husband.
You're married?
Yeah, with 2 kids. Yes.
With 2 kids?
Yes.
Okay, please.
Wait, Chalo. Wait.
What's on this guy now?
Oh, no, I know you don't know me. I have hot temper. And the ways we walk up. Madam, you're married, you don't tell me. With 2 kids.
You did not ask me now.
I did not ask you. So why do you think I was carrying this thing?
I thought you are the Samaritan that God sent to come and help me. As my husband did not come in time and pick me.
Devil will send you to somebody else. And people with this thing, you will go back and pick it. Okay? So you are married and you are allowed to do that to allow me.
No, you have the guts to insult my wife, my very before.
I don't understand.
Because of that.
Because of that.
So you cannot help somebody without expecting anything in return.
As federal government now, you will go and pick this bag where I picked it from. Look at me, I left my job. Look at me, I'm my job. I'm going to work, and because of it, I followed you.
No, you mean you were going to work because of full offshore? You abandoned your work. See, you are a useless man. So carry this bag and go back.
No problem. I will carry it there.
I will pick the bag. Where are you leaving?
God will punish the 2 of you.
You already promised. Continue with your promise. Because of Nash.
God will punish the 2 of you. Come and pick your bag where I picked it from.
You're serious, so.
Ndala.
allow him now. How are you? Let me take my car to go and pick it. Just come inside.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
God will punish all of you. Make me to come. Where is the position? She was standing here with a queen soup. Tips that is meant to destroy. Instead of me to. Hey, that's how fun. Let me not lose my job.
Hello, fine brother. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What? How are you?
I'm fine. Please, are you going my way?
Wetin be this? Jesus.
Hey, you look good though.
Thank you.
You want? Oh, you are the one with this load.
Yes.
I'm just in a very bad mood. Don't mind me, oh.
Aww.
Yes, I was very, very angry. Like some people just offended me.
I'm so sorry.
I'm telling you, why can't people just be honest and just talk something? You understand? I just suffered for nothing.
Sorry.
I might be losing my job, but there's no problem.
I'm very sorry about that.
So you're going this way?
Yes, I'm going that way.
This road, only you?
Yes.
Hey, fine girl. You look
Thank
fine.
you.
Well, let me help you.
Okay.
Oh, what you got? Jesus. Oh, wait. You know what? I will carry it along for you.
Thank you. So.
Let's go. Wait. Chalo.
What?
Let it be like I asked.
Okay.
It's not like I used to ask, but let me just find out.
Okay.
Do you have a boyfriend or something?
Actually, I'm married. I have 2 kids.
Jesus.
I'm married. I have 3 kids.
3 children?
Yes.
Jesus.
Okay.
Jesus.
Okay.
What is it? Do you have any problem with that? Fine, brother.
See, okay, I don't want to say anything.
Good Samaritan, please.
Good Samaritan, everybody is married, idiot. Everybody, nobody, the only single people I will be helping. You are married, the other one is married. Thank God I asked, If I did not ask now, maybe you will take me out of Lagos.
My husband, come on.
Idiot.